Hello guys, this is another tutorial where I'm going to show you how to use the alert tool. And this is the alert tool here. You click on tools, you see alerts, you click on alerts, and these are alerts. So the alerts test, you can add the alert test. This is the, and here you can see new. Let's look at the warning. You haven't specified any text for your alert. Please type in some text before clicking new. Okay, I'm gonna do that right away. And the alert test is testing. Okay, this parameter, you can leave that for now. This is an advanced method. It's just for you to pass in some entity there. Then I see testing, see new. Okay, this is testing, which means testing will be displayed on screen. You can see testing is displayed on screen down below there. You can see display and close to, so that it will just display and close the dialog box. So that's about the alert tool. And anyone you don't want, you can delete it. You can see this one I've done here already. Display. Please always switch off your phone service. Happy Wednesday and so on. So thanks for watching. You can look the parameter. And that's all about that. Thanks. Bye.